του οδηγού. Γυρίζουμε πολύ γρήγορα στα στούντιο του Μέγκα. Σε λίγο θα είμαστε μαζί για να παρακολουθήσουμε, ενώ ο Ανρί είναι φανερά εκνευρισμένος με τους παίκτες του Παναθηναϊκού και αρκετά έντονος ο διάλογος του με τον Μικάελσεν. Ο Ανρί που σε αυτή τη φάση τουλάχιστον, το βλέπετε εδώ, είναι πάρα πολύ εκνευρισμένος και διόλου υποτικός μέσα στο πλαίσιο του fair play απέναντι στην ομάδα που τον κέρδισε, και πηγαίνει και ο Περέιρα τώρα στα στούντιο του Μέγκα. Ενώ εδώ συνεχίζει και ο Βενγκέρ μαζί με τον...
Arsenal players are angrily confronting referee Graham Poll in the centre circle. Alan Shearer doing his best to restrain Thierry Henry, who is finding it difficult to be restrained. Gary Lewin sensibly moving in as well. And the Frenchman's anger directed very firmly at the official. I don't think we've heard the end of that incident. And Thierry Henry won't leave it alone. For his own sake and Arsenal's, he should calm down here.
Well, he's a man possessed at the moment. I haven't really seen scenes like this up against the referee. You can understand their frustration, you can understand their disappointment, but the best thing Thierry Henry can do right now is just get off the field. It's over with, it's happened. He's never going to change those decisions, he's never going to change that sending off by Ray Parlour, he's never going to change that decision for the penalty.
Well, the Arsenal staff and his teammates are doing their best to calm him down, but he won't be calmed down, Thierry Henry. I've never seen him like this, and he's surely going to find himself in very hot water if Graham Poll reports this incident, which he surely will.